Hi everyone, Christy Martin here from Martin's Floral and Home Decor, and thank you for joining us today. It was actually 16 degrees here this morning, but we're going for the 80s, so I hope everybody's doing okay with all this crazy weather. Well, we have been changing the store, which you're going to learn a little bit more later as we do these new videos. But Maddie and I right now are going to show you the new gazebo that we've done. And of course, many of you store owners and retail managers know that display is such an important part. And we've already seen so many fun sales out of this gazebo, and we can change it for seasons. So here we go. First of all, we have done a base of greenery. We do have these beautiful screens for sale this year in case anybody's wanting window screens on their patios. These are wonderful. They're faux. They will do the rain and wind. We've been asked for them for years, and this year we've got them. So it made a great base. And on the top, as we've gone, we used greenery and hanging bushes. And of course, all of this is available for sale. And you, our clients, of course, know exactly where this is in this store. One of our best-selling ivies. We've hung some wonderful little greenery balls around. And as you look, Joe incorporated so many beautiful little things. We've got little butterflies in here. We've got greenery. We've got stems and arrangements to showcase some of the items. These right here are stunning. Cherry and Greg, these are beautiful pieces. They are amazing designers and know what to do. They know how to do the magic. Like I said, I'll buy the product, they do the magic. You've seen a lot of this new product, but now you're seeing it incorporated with other things, so it kind of looks different. And look here, beautiful hydrangea bouquets. These are absolutely stunning. Several colors. We had looked at them previous, but I just absolutely love the colorations. We've got some ferns in here, some hanging petunia baskets, and these really, really nice little lanterns that just came in that light up. I love these lanterns. These are so fun. These are beautiful.
In
They're
two sizes.
Two sizes, yes. And battery operated. So anyway, more product. Now you've seen this in the wreath, and this is the bush in that same wreath. The wreath is almost sold out. So if you liked that wreath, and many of you came in after that new product video, this is great. Greg is loving that piece. New hydrangeas. Our best colors. I'm out of the green already. And of course, beautiful ranunculus, beautiful mixed bouquets. We sold this several times this weekend to brides. It's like we were saying, it's beautiful. It's ready to go. And Joe's in the back. Joe just did a drive-by. We just seen her. Greenery, more new greenery. We love these pieces. Very fresh. And the same thing. More fresh and more fresh. Okay, we're busted. We haven't got the backside done yet, but we are working on that. Once again, though, look at the new greens. Wisteria. This is beautiful. Great for if you're doing big pots in your house of just naturals. And one of my favorites, and this pops some color in here. Look at this gorgeous piece. Calico plant. This is UV, so it'd be fine outside. And we get asked about UV a lot. We do have several things that are UV. Quite honestly, our product seems to do very well outdoors. So always ask us when you're in the store or online. And of course, once again, you know me and my dahlias. I love the dahlia bud. I love it in this little cart. You can do so much with baskets, and you can have so much fun with it. And of course, right now, hopefully it's still going to bloom. Beautiful little forsythia pieces. Snowballs. Cone hydrangeas, which a lot of the brides are looking for right now. And of course, we have butterflies of every color, shape, and size. So thank you for joining us with one of our fun displays. We always love doing this one for y'all. Have a great week, and we'll see you soon.